Local credit union is helping entrepreneurs looking for stronger financial support. In this segment, sponsored by Credit Human, Kiara Scott is here to explain. Good morning.
Hi, good morning, Shelby. Thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for being here. I guess first things first, tell us why Credit Human is different from a traditional bank.
Absolutely. So Credit Human is a member-owned federal credit union. And I think what makes us most different is our approach, right? Our mission, and that is to create communities that are free of financial stress. And we do that in the way that we offer our services and how you're able to come in and see us.
Yeah, so we've talked about how y'all are helping people personally in the past, but now y'all are trying to help entrepreneurs, which I can imagine that benefits everyone.
It does. So kind of that's where I come in as a commercial development officer. And when we're helping business owners, that's going to look like us creating products that are specific to the New Orleans market. The lending, the checking, the savings accounts, they're going to be tailored to the nuances that are here. So yeah, we make sure that that's something that's going to be relatable to the market here.
Sure. So y'all are able to help because y'all are in these communities.
Right.
Y'all are able to more accurately assess the needs of what people here need.
Absolutely.
What would you say is something that New Orleans entrepreneurs need that maybe other places don't, or that y'all can help with that other places can't?
So I think what's one of the great things here, we have a lot of nonprofits. I think lending and banking services for nonprofits can be a little tricky. There's a lot of different nuances that go to it. And so what we're able to offer is a local approach to that. When we make these decisions, they're not just, you know, I take your applications and it goes out into the ether. Like, I'm working on the application, I'm sending it to a team of people that I work with all of the time. They understand the market. So I think that local approach makes it very beneficial for the market here.
Yeah, so whether you're a nonprofit or you're a business just getting started or an entrepreneur who's looking to grow your business, those would all be the types of people, in addition to individuals, who could come and get services from you guys.
Absolutely.
What does it look like when you walk through the door of Credit Human? Do you walk up and say, I'm looking for help with this, and you're immediately, you know, with someone? Do you make an appointment online? How does it work?
So you can do either. You can come in, walk right in. That's what's really great about Credit Human. It's a very personable experience. We have what are called financial health centers. A lot of traditional banks have what you would call branches. So when you come into one of our financial health centers, you're going to be able to speak to someone directly. These services are free. We can talk to you about budgeting, about your credit report. We can help you set goals, give you banking products. So it's just really personable. We have a total of 6 financial health centers right now. We're very excited to have just recently opened one in the Gentilly area.
That's right.
So yeah, it's just super personable. Credit Human is very intentional about that.
Absolutely. So you just opened one in Gentilly. Where are some of your other locations?
Yeah, so we have one on Magazine Street. We have a location on Tulane, Oak Street. There's one on Elysian Fields, and then we also have a location on Ferret Street. Yeah, so we're in areas that are a lot of, oftentimes they are without that financial wellness that's accessible to them. So they're very strategic about where we place the financial health centers.
Well, I love that somebody, you know, who may be struggling to figure out their budget or, you know, has a great idea and wants to open a business can come to you guys and find someone who can help kind of immediately navigate all of those sort of tricky things.
Definitely.
And like you said, y'all help nonprofits too, and I know that can be extra tricky. So thank you all so much for all that you're doing. If folks want to reach out to you, get in touch with you, if they want to make an appointment online before they come, how can they do that?
So you can come to credithuman.com, check us out online. But again, those 6 locations are everywhere, so you can just come in and see us. We do appointments, but you don't need one. You can just walk in and speak to someone. And I really would just that anyone, if you have any questions or if you you know, just want to take a peek, you want to understand what we do, what's different about us, I would really ask that you come into the financial health centers, talk to one of the member specialist representatives there, reach out to me if you want to do something on the business side. Yeah, and just come and see us. We'd be happy to have that conversation and see how we can partner with you.
All right. Thank you so much for explaining it all. I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you so much.